Janitorial Manager is excited to bring your cleaning operation the cutting-edge tools needed to reach new heights and soar. A cloud-based software solution, Janitorial Manager provides a wide range of solutions that will provide your organization with the critical information needed to better manage your business, increase your profitability, and improve your results. You will be given vital tools such as timekeeping to know your team is in the right place at the right time, using state-of-the-art features and real-time data through geofencing, facial recognition, and GPS tracking. Not only will you better keep track of staff, but your accuracy in payroll processing will be boosted as well. No one likes to be in the dark when it comes to job expectations. With Janitorial Manager's work orders, your team will be given clear directions and critical information needed on the job through the use of checklists and scheduling functions. Customers can rest assured that their expectations are met and exceeded through photos of completed work and signature captures upon each job's completion. You'll even have access to custom QR code creation to elevate your job processes like never before. Did we mention cutting edge? Using the most comprehensive QR codes on the market, your team will have the technical advantage with instant access to estimated and actual cleaning times, essential reports with real-time data, access to customer feedback, and so much more. Finally, you have the ability to take control over your inventory with our supply management tool and bring your budget up to speed. Hoarding isn't always a good thing, especially when your bottom line is involved. By tracking usage and supply costs, you'll be empowered to know exactly where your dollar is going and start improving your cash flow. Why blend in with the crowd when you can set yourself apart in ways that add professionalism, value, and class to your customers' experience and increase efficiency and productivity to yours? Take advantage of the benefits Janitorial Manager has in store for you and begin using the tools you need to get your business a step above so that you can rise to new levels of success.